I'll tell you what, these are super handy. Young Dan here has had his cart for 3 years, and this is gonna be his first time that he actually gets to use it. He's having a bit of a struggle this morning.
He's already gotten the ratchet strap tangled up in it. The cart was backwards, and for those wondering, it does matter which way the cart goes, because if it's backwards, the cart will just randomly fold up and collapse on you.
And then you simply lift the cart, slide, and place. Instead of fidgeting with the straps all down underneath there, just hook it to the front beam. And then the same thing on the other side.
We've been here in the same spot for like 6 minutes already, while Dan's getting his butt kicked by his kayak.
I put the strap on backwards.
Alright.
Okay, there we go.
There's a properly strapped on kayak.
But I have learned over years of having my kayak fall off the cart halfway through that it is very important that it is strapped properly.
And you know what? Every time it falls off the cart, I laugh just as hard because I don't have a cart.
The thing is, I have never puked on the walk out here. Dakota, on the other hand, is currently in the process of throwing up his breakfast.
I didn't eat breakfast.
And he is just covered in a glistening sheen.
Those fajitas do not taste good, Dan. I had 4 duck fajitas, a KC strip steak, probably half a lobster, and about 4 or 5 beers.
What do you think about the carts now, Dakota?
I think they're the money.
$30 cart. Poor Dakota's back here struggling.
I'm not struggling.
I don't know, Dakota.
Oh, fuck, that's gross.
That looks like a struggle to me.
One duck sitting in the middle of 3 decoys. Dan thinks we can shoot it with a full choke. There's 3 decoys out there, and there's 1 duck. Go for it, Dan. Hey! Alright, here we go.
There you go.
You gotta be joking. You gotta be kidding me.
Dan!
You've gotta be kidding me.
Maybe that's a drink.
Got one.
I think Dan got himself a drink there too.
I about done tipped myself out of the kayak taking that shot.
Coming from, oh, big group off to the right. One off to the right. Here he comes, here he comes. That's yours. Take him, take him. Nice.
You flew in front of your boat, right?
Yeah, I saw that.
Alright guys, well that wraps up today's hunt. We ended up with 1 each. Not a lot of movement today. A lot of the ducks that we did see kind of swung off to the outside edges and never gave us a good shot. But yeah, ended up with 3 ducks for the day. Not bad at all. Not near the success we had on opening weekend, but that's to be expected.